How to identify significant items from a correlation matrix in Python without inner loop. I have built a correlation matrix output from a small test set and ended up with the following. True values are those that are greater than a defined value, e.g. results equals correlation underscore matrix is greater than 0.75. Note that I also falsified the diagonal, top left to bottom right. I also only need half the matrix because it's a mirror top left / bottom right. Is there a way / function in number py or other for me to return the row / column of values that are true? When I use this against real data, 200k rows, I need to be able to do this quickly without using an inner loop. 200k asterisk 200k checks will be very slow. I imagine there has to be a matrix / numpy / scikit.learn etc. function that will provide this, but I have not been able to find one. The expected output from this would be, ideally, given that this is a mirror image, would be
to get the indices with zero-based indexing. One straightforward way would be to mask out the lower diagonal places with np.trio and then get the indices with np.argware. To mask out diagonal places as well, use np.trio, A1. Another way would be to use an explicit mask created with the help of broadcasting.